Assalamualaikum. Welcome to 10th class English. Myself Reshma Sultana, teacher of United Public School, Tandur. In the last session, we have completed 2 or 3 paragraphs. Up to what we have completed. Finally, his father decided to carry his trunk up to Dirang, and he also accepted that his father can carry his trunk. After, see here, we will continue from now. See here, listen carefully. A large crowd gathered at our place the day I was to leave. When he was leaving from his village to Dirang, then a large crowd means people gathered at his place. People had come to wish me good luck. It was 10:20 when I left for Dirang. What was the time now? Then it was 10:20 when he was left from Dirang for Dirang. My father had already left. His father already left for Dirang. As I had to do a bit of catching up, I walked fast. To catch his father, he walked fast. After 3 kilometers down the road, he caught up his father. Father said, "You are late. Would you like to rest for some time?" Father, what he told? His father told, "You are late now. Would you like to rest for some time?" He asked the question to his son. Okay. Having walked fast, I was tired. What he told? Walking fast, he was tired. Moreover, I had to cross 2 hills on the way up to the spot. I quickly sat down on a rock. My father laughed at my plight. When he sat on the rock, on the big stones, his father laughed. Why? Because he walked 3 kilometers. For that he was tired. So this little distance had tired you. Rest for a while, but we have to be in time for the bus. What he told? His father told, take some rest, but we have to be on time for the bus, he told. Father was quiet for some time. He thoughtfully looked at the sun for the moment, and then his eyes fell on the can of homemade wine that I was carrying. He carried what he carried? He carried homemade wine. He gave to his son. Wetting his lips and his tongue, he said in a matter of fact manner, "I am thirsty." What he told? He was thirsty. I gave him a can of wine. He poured himself a mug and handed me the can. He drank all of it at one go. What he did? He handed over the can to his son. He drank all it in one go. He then arranged the belt that was attached to the trunk carefully on his forehead. So this was the picture. My father carrying my luggage on his back and me following him with a tiny bag in my hand. His father is walking with the trunk, and son is walking with a tiny bag in his hand. We were walking up a narrow hilly road, and neither of us uttered a word, as if we were strangers who spoke different languages. I did not know what was going on his mind. From time to time I crossed my mind that it was improper for me to let father carrying the luggage. I wanted to tell him that I would like to carry the trunk myself, but my guilt and shame did not allow me to do so. What he is thinking? I can carry my trunk, but what the people will think? He was feeling shame and guilty, and he is not allowed to do so. The self-consciousness has probably to do with my education. The white-collar job that I had are quite simply. What he is telling, the self-consciousness has probably to do with my education. For his education, he had not carried the luggage. The white-collar job means he was a government employee. That he was quite simply made pride. For his pride, he had not carried his trunk. Somehow, I had the feeling that I had carried the luggage, my father and my people. In fact, the whole world would laugh at me, and I would be belittled. Father had provided for my education. Father had provided for education, and I had been able to realize his dreams. My parents were truly proud of me. For what purpose they are proud of his? Because he was realized his dreams. For that his parents were truly proud. I was so me that they had earned a greater degree of admiration and respect from the villagers. My father would not like to see me carrying the trunk on my back. and would be very hurt if I did so. His father, what he did think, he thought that if my son carry the luggage, all the villagers will see and he will disrespect him. So that's why what he did, his father carried the luggage. Father was used to carrying luggage anyway, and he was stronger and more skilled than me in these matters. In these matters, according to his son, the father was very stronger. I had never got used to physical labor, having stayed in hostels right from my childhood. From his childhood, he was only in hostels. So, in spite of youth and strength, I was physically useless. I continued walking silently with father. What he did, he is continuously walking with his father silently. We rested at two places on my way and had our tiffin, but we hardly talked. Finally, we reached Dirang. Finally, they reached Dirang. The bus from Tawang had not yet reached Dirang, so we had some time in hand. When they reached Dirang, the bus from Tawang means this is the name of the place, had not reached to Dirang, so they had some time in their hand. We entered to tea shop and sat facing each other. What they did, they entered into the tea shop and sat facing with each other. Father appeared tired. Father also very tired. I felt sorry for him, but he could not bring myself to say anything. I asked the waiter to get us 2 cups of tea. What the son did? He ordered 2 cups of tea to the waiter. Just as I was going to take my first sip, I heard father's voice. Do you have a pair of old shoes? What the father asked to his son. Do you have old pair of shoes? He asked. Then son told, why? I asked. The road is uneven and full of puddles. It hurts very while walking. What he told, the road is uneven and it is full of rocks and stones. It hurts while walking. When he was walking, it hurts. So he told, father told to his son. Okay. Up to this, I want to stop this lesson. In the next video, we will continue the lesson. Now there is assignment C here. Assignment is third question. Why did the author get into debt? Think of some possible reasons. You have to think the possible reasons and you have to write that. And next fourth question is, why was the author reluctant to carry his own luggage? What would you do if you were in author's place? If you are in author place, what will you do? If you carry your luggage with your own, or you give your luggage to the others. You have to write with your own. Okay. These two questions are assignment. Third and fourth question is assignment. You have to write and send it to me. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.